Kaustav Sen today. He's a rank 42 of the IIT JEE Advanced 2019. Kaustav, how are you feeling today?
I'm feeling very great.
Because you're here in IIT Bombay.
Yes.
He's finally here. And it's raining like crazy. Batao. Barish ke bare mein batao thoda bahut.
It's ridiculous.
It's ridiculous. What's the best thing about this campus that you found so far?
The best thing is about the green campus.
It's crazy green. बहुत सारे जानवर भी हैं मैंने सुना.
Yes. Sometimes jaguars come from the summit hillside, the forest. There is no boundary there, so that is dangerous, but it's enjoyable.
So humans and janwars are mixing.
Yes.
It's a jungle with humans, है ना?
Yes.
Okay. Great. So we are in the sports complex, right? Kaustav right here really likes badminton. Is this looking fun?
It is very enjoyable now. I've come here many times.
Yeah? You play here often?
No, not really, because I have to buy a racket now and all the rest.
Alright. Also, Kaustav, tell me a little bit about social media. Matlab, how did you fight that addiction while you were preparing for JEE?
I was not really engrossed in social media during the preparation. There was a WhatsApp group created by my teachers where we could all discuss our questions and the teachers would answer it.
Okay.
So we utilized that class only, and I did not have any personal social media account in any Facebook, WhatsApp, anything else.
So no Facebook, no Instagram, no YouTube, no Netflix?
No Netflix.
Oh damn. Okay then. So this boy got us to the sports complex, but also there are lots of bikes in here. Are you gonna get one for yourself?
After the rainy season.
Okay. So tell me, Kaustav, what books did you refer to while you were preparing for the exam?
Well, coming to books, for maths, I followed the 5-book series of Origin by S.K. Goel sir. And for physics, for theory, I referred to Rasnik Halliday. For problems, I solved Eurodoc and D.C. Pandey and also Cengage. For physical chemistry, I referred to Narendra Avasthi. For organic chemistry, Balaji Publications, MS Chauhan and GRA Publications. For inorganic chemistry, the NCERT textbooks and JDL.
So you think one person can crack this exam with just self-study?
If one determines that he has to do something, he can do that, and for that he has to make a proper routine timetable. Besides coaching, one has to invest time for self-study. If you do 1 hour of coaching, you have to do 4 hours of self-study. That is the equation now.
So which one was your favorite subject?
My favorite subject was chemistry.
Chemistry. Wow. Tell these people how you revised the entire syllabus. What was your strategy for revision?
As class 11 got completed, as class 12 syllabus got overlapped with them, that is the time when you should start revising class 11 along with studying class 12.
Okay.
As your class 12 syllabus is completed, your 11th revision is also completed side by side. So by the time of October and November of class 12, you have everything in your grip and you can now start giving the all India test series and everything that are required.
So how did you manage the stress while you were preparing for JEE?
If you follow routine timetable, be disciplined, then for stress management, you can set up a timetable so that you can keep control of your topics and do not lag behind anything.
Alright. So where are you taking me next? There?
Okay.
Right. Football. Tell me, what did you do like a day before the exam?
Throughout my studies, I prepared 3 diaries for physics, chemistry and maths, and where I used to store the problems which I suffered difficulty in understanding or problem that I could solve lately, or I had to take help of somebody else to solve it. And before the exams, I was to revise them only. And so I could get clear concepts about which topics am I weak upon, and that is mainly I had to focus on during the exams.
Where are we right now?
We are in the new SAC building.
At the squash courts.
Yes.
Oh my god, that's so huge. What tips would you like to give for the day of the exam?
First of all, we have to reach the exam center at least 1.5 hours early. And for that day, you should not discuss with anyone which topics have you studied, have you revised. So after the first paper, directly go to your parents or anyone who accompanies you, and do not discuss about the answers which you mark, because it will make you depressed if you find that something you have done wrong. After the second paper, please go home and relax and just hope for the best.
Alright. So tell me, how did you prepare for IIT JEE for the 2 years?
My FIITJEE teachers guided me to set up a timetable.
Tell me about FIITJEE.
The CPPs and the assignments that were given by FIITJEE.
Okay.
And we had to practice regularly, and all the doubts were cleared by the faculty members anyway. There was a WhatsApp group created by my teachers, and we can ask questions anytime and they would always clear them.
How about your peer group? How was that?
Peer group, actually I studied in a group of 4 students only. So we had given special attention, and there was a pretty well competition between us, and that also improved our performance.
And tell me a little bit about MyPad. How did it help you, and did you use it?
Yes, I used it very efficiently.
Okay, tell me about that.
Our FIITJEE curriculum included that our teachers should say that some MyPad assignments have been uploaded, and you should practice them and see how you scored and how the problems have been done, the incorrect questions we had to discuss with them, and that helped me. And also the solutions that are uploaded in MyPad are very good, and they are tricky, and they have been solved in very efficient manner, and it was very helpful.
Oh, nice. So you used to solve the concept test, full test. Did you appear for the pre-JEE?
Yes, every test. 10 tests were there for mains and 10 tests were advanced, and I appeared for everyone.
So would you recommend it to people who are going to be appearing for JEE next
year?
Yes,
those tests were conducted for the last month of the preparations only, and that was when you only have to practice the problems and you have to take care of your time management. After all, the computer-based system has been started in the JEE exams for mains. Through MyPad, we get to practice them at home. We can get an atmosphere of how an online environment looks like, the different functions of the different keys, the review, mark for review, and we became familiar with the different patterns, their functions and everything.
Thanks a lot. I was gonna slip and die. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. We are here with Kaustav Sen, जिसने 4 दिया. क्या किया?
4 दिया.
4 दिया. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like these and more people like Kaustav Sen. Also, do not forget to hit the bell icon. And what else?
Like and share this video.
Also, do not forget to download the MyPad app. It's the best. It has concept test, full test, and तुमने की थी ना?
Yes.
उसने की थी, उसकी 42 rank है. तुम्हें लानी है, तुम भी कर लो. Simple, right? I will see you when I see you. Until then, peace and love. Bye. Bye.